Let's see how to delete recent files in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and click on File tab so we can see all of our recent documents. And you will see here under the file or under the recent section, rather, all of your recent documents. Now, let's say that you want to remove these documents from this list right here. And so what you can do is place your cursor on the highlighted document. Now, right click, and you should see the option to remove from list. And when you click that, that will automatically remove that selected document. And that is how you can remove files from the recent list in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.